All right, so this is my lab for rekeying a assa Twin Max. As you can see here, I've got the springs in for the sidebar, and I've got my finger over the sidebar pins. Take the key out. So keys in. So now I'm going to load my B56 sidebar. Go. So the keys in there. Now I'm going to start loading my pins. This is my code that I'm keying this lock to. And obviously I'm going to go from tip to bow. So I'm going to start with 8. 6. 1. 4. And 9. And 8. Now I'm going to load my drivers. Looks good so far. And since I started with an 8, I'm going to go to driver pin D. 6 is driver pin C. 1 is driver pin A. 4 is driver pin B. 9, driver pin D. And 8, also driver pin D. Great, now I can do my springs. Got all my springs in. I'm gonna load or put this bar on top to hold the springs in. There. Now I can cuff my key. And it works. Put my tailpiece on. Cuff the key again. Awesome. Works great.